Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
You don't want to miss this one.
Beachy Beach.
So we have this cute little beach house to show you over on the west end of Panama City Beach, close to Pier Park, shopping, Frank Brown, the airport, 30A, all the things.
All of them.
All the things. Heather, what is one of your favorite things about this beach house?
Absolutely, hands down. It is less than a block to right here. We walk down here. It's fantastic.
Yeah, it took just a second.
Yep.
We're off of Beach Access 74.
Yes.
Gorgeous Gulf of Mexico behind us. The thing I like about this house, besides the location that you pointed out,
Yep.
you have easy access to the beach, is you have a lot of flexibility for this property. It's a blank canvas. You could put your own style, your own design, your own taste, make it that perfect beach house. Has great deck area, a lot of outdoor space.
And great parking.
Yes.
For this area, that's unheard of.
Plenty of parking for your boat, your extra toys, your extra car, if you want to bring the family down. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths.
It's a great rent. It could be a great rental.
Separate levels, yes.
Yes.
A lot of rental potential. If you want to do a vacation rental, if you wanted to have your beach getaway, if you just wanted to make Panama City Beach your home, you wanted to get down here, no HOA,
Absolutely.
from what I can see.
Yep.
Yes.
And
so,
you can rent it. So you've got
Okay.
the 2 perks.
So you've got lots of flexibility with this home on Sand Street. Under $800,000 for this 4-bedroom over on the coveted west end of Panama
That's right.
City Beach. Super close to the beach, as you pointed out. We'd love to show it to you if you're interested in this hot property.
And to get more of the details of the listing, look in the description below, click that link, and check it out.
And you don't want to miss out on any deals like this one in the future. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. Don't miss out on any future deals.